I'm going to talk about elephant. Elephant is a vegetarian and living forest. It can also swim in water. It carries a long trunk, two cavities, and a thick body.